The candidates of 2022 STGT protested in front of Education Department office building on Saturday, demanding to release the results soon. Likewise, they have also submitted a deputation to the examination controller of TRBT, Dr. Pratyush Ranjan Dev.
The results of 2022 STGT examination has not yet declared even after 1 year. Likewise, a total of 230 seats of recruitment is still vacant. As such, the candidates of 2022 STGT examination has been demanding several times to the state government as well Education Department high officials to release the result as soon as possible. However, no initiative has been taken since then to release the result till today. Consequently, the candidates of 2022 STGT once again protested in front of Education Department office building on Saturday, demanding to release the result soon. Likewise, they have submitted a deputation to the examination controller of the RBT, Dr. Pratyush Ranjan Dev.
Chini STGT 2022 September porikang mani tabu sajora result maya. Hai phano jong government no with khai tungo boro positive no chini bagai samung tang na hinai karon omo kaisa important department education mane to jot oro ne theke no doctor engineer ongi phayo omo ni bagai jong mane je 230 ta ni je notification khai mane abo government mane kaisa aini jotilata toman bagai amo riman liya inge tabuk tini chungoro controller malekha bosawo obonoro ni supreme court sokha mane government jahai kudi raima yan bagai supreme court mamla khai khainoi chung controller je chona sauta inge omono chung chini je parents haino chini je CM bono chung request khayo omono daidi process complete khayo chono recruit khasidi chono recruit khaya ke chono process complete khaya ke new exam borok exam nai me yaneng ke recruit khai me yaneng karon naidi 1 year above sung tu khata bu phano chung kuno secure maya ko mane chung chakri mane de mania de tabu sa jara chung kuno sai me ya noro kuno asas me ya chung exam rikha final answer ki man kha obo esimino chung qualify khaini sai manota nor kojon tongoro tini chung hate ba phai khate ko ekjon baire thango baire bolte total busuk ka nor goro tini ja phema de tini ja phema tini 50 ro ka khana male man ya golo tam saka male man ya goro nor naisina na nai mana hini to sawo hai pano mane je put ni je matter oman bagi kisah lead unai hini sata chung saka busuk lead chung busuk naisin sene chung depression ong khapli hini saka ta ke taitam sane ba norok je tabuk ojaka je malai men ya golo amte se process khaja kai amon ya golo nok tam khlane process next step to chung nai hini no wan sako karon chung government positive tongo positive bono borono believe khayo सबका साथ सबका विश्वास अमनो chung believe khayo अमनो no wait khai tongo chung जैसे कबना चिन बागे process complete khai chono positive le babe no repeat khai nei chung believe khai chung next ota mo khai khaya ba chung wan su ya ko जैसे कबना chung positive no tongo boro जैसे कबना chono process complete khai nei chin baगे no boro positive samutang to nei chung wan su karon kaisa education department abo 1 year no detin baria phano waisa phano exam mano recruit ma khayo jodi no recruit khai teacher chung saimano gram ancholo busu teacher crisis chung tung ko ekdin age bo chung nukha je teacher nei bagai student or demand khai mani chono chini school teacher kore omon bagai boro student or demand khai to omon bagai jesa ka phano chono recruit khai nai nei chung government chini je Tripura sarkar no chung positive le babe request khai chono jesa ka phano recruit khai chini complete khai chini chini chung busu depression ke tung sinai omo simin
Regarding the incident, the 2022 STGT candidates requested to the State Government and Education Department to release their examination results soon. Reported by Amit from Agartala, Chini Khorang.